Oh fuck! The wind, it's hitting really hard right now. It's like super, super hard, dude. Right now, it almost fucking took me off my feet when I was recording. Oh shit! Oh, I got something in my eye. So the other day I bought something off eBay and I want to show you guys what it is, but right now sitting outside enjoying the wind. The other day I bought this, you guys. I've been looking for a Lotso for a while, so then I found one on eBay, used, but at a pretty good price. The guy had the option of making me an offer, so I gave him an offer, and we kind of shot back like 2 offers at each other, and so at the end we landed on something. So here he is, and he actually has his, right here, it's proof, his authentication. He's so fluffy, man. He's like really, really nice. And he still smells like strawberries. It smells fucking bomb. Whoa! Now that it's almost Christmas time, look what they are selling. They are selling Buddy the Elf coffee creamer. This is caramel waffle cookie. That's the company that's making it. And there it is, you guys. There's Buddy right there. There's Santa. Oh my God, Santa! I know him! Yep. This thing is so cool. And when you flip it, there's a logo that everybody knows. It's so cool. By the way, my mama's making gingerbread cookies now. She's getting ready for the holidays. She is warming up. These are the first ones that she's making right now. So she is warming up, and she's gonna get better as it gets closer to Christmas time. But these are different right here. This is puffier, and then this is more flat. So different recipes. So this is when you know it's almost Christmas time, when my mom starts baking gingerbread cookies. What do they taste?
Crab.
Fucking crunchy, man. He's a crunchy bastard.
I did do last, no?
Why? What's wrong with it?
How much meat in your mouth?